What is up, everybody? Zafri Express here again, and welcome back to the channel. And on today's unboxing video, it's an item that I've been trying to find it ever since it's been released. I think I've said that quote before. It's an item that I've been trying to find for ages at this point, but I finally found him. It's the no, that's not that one. I already reviewed on that one. It's the Motorized ADF duck. ADF Motorized duck. I have found him. I searched every Toys R Us, every toy section, and even Shopee. I couldn't find him, but I did manage to find him on Shopee. He on the official shopping app, on the official Mattel shopping app. Whatever. Anyway, here is Duck, and he is gorgeous. There's the CGI promo of him, or CGI render. I love this render. Here's Duck. Here's the red truck he has. Unfortunately, he doesn't have the ADF logo, but it's fine. Wow, I finally found him after all these months. Look at his face. He is so smug. That's the face that he would say, there are two ways of doing things. The Great Western Way and the wrong way. And he is not wrong. This is a gorgeous model. Now I finally have Duck. I still need to find the last ADF engine, and that is Scotsman, Flying Scotsman. He's the last one I still need to find. And then all the ADF motorized range will be complete. So here's Duck. Somehow this translation says canard for some reason. I haven't got a motorized Duck in years, man. Here's the back. We got Thomas, Percy, James, Gordon, Mia, and him, Duck. Finally, I have this guy in my hands. It's and a duck. Why am I saying cat? So let's unbox Uggs the Great Western in Bro and review him, shall we? Obviously, as if you know me so well, I preserve the boxes. So I'm preserving this box as well. Still love that there's finally a CGI render of Duck on a modern box. So enough rambling about the box, and look at the Great Western boy himself, Duck. Duck. So here is him. I finally have him in my hands. And look at the face. I love the face. This is a perfect CGI duck face, man. Oh yeah, this is so good. It has a darker green, which is an interesting choice. Great Western lettering. Oh, this. Oh yeah. His number 8 is so small. Like this. How small is this number 8? He has rivets. That is sick. This is what Duck would look like if he had rivets during season 23. Or he already has rivets already in CGI. Anyway, handrails. I love the tall funnel. No. All of his splashes are present. His sandboxes. Even these tiny little lines that I don't know what that means anyway. His dome and his safety valve cab. Interestingly, he doesn't even have a whistle, which is interesting. Thomas and Percy have a whistle, but not Duck. He has handrails on his sides, front of the engine, and his cab and his bunker. Not tender. The bunker. Here. Bunker. Switch. Cab sticker. Side rods. Yeah, this is a good toy. Duck is the most accurate accurate one in the 80th range. This is my favorite Duck merch. This is the best Duck toy that Mattel has ever produced. My only nitpick is that the buffers are so flat. They did this to Motorized All Engines Go Donald 02. Oh yeah, this is a good toy, but I still love this thing. Look at him. He has buffers on the back of him, but his buffers at the front are just like that. It's interesting. Same chassis with James. That's James right there. Here. The best 80th toy, the best one, and I finally have him in my hands. Duck. Okay, enough of Duck. Here's the truck. Duck. Just a generic truck, faceless truck. With no loads or anything, but it's fine. Okay. It's nice. It's a nice contrast. A red truck. It also fits Duck very well. See, look, it fits quite well. Oh, it's the Duck. I love this Duck. Also, by the way, I didn't update to my Play-Rail Duck. I bought this pre-love. I did a video on this before. Here, I updated the face. I painted the face. Now it doesn't have that yellow face anymore. Painted the face. Give him pupils. I tried the eyebrows, but there was a scratch. Also, there's a scratch right there too, if you notice. Yep. Yeah, I love this Duck. Let me just get the All Engines Go Duck quick. And here's the All Engines Go Duck. right next to 80th duck. I have now have 4 pieces of duck merchandise. This is insane. I have 3 and now I have 4 pieces of duck merch. This is the first one. This is the first one. This is the first duck this is the first duck piece of merch I got. I'm also the first one to review this All Engines Go duck first on YouTube. That video is wild. Link is in the description. Then my second piece of duck merch is this amazing looking card render of him, of a CGI render. Sick. And then this is my third piece of duck merch, the Playroll duck. And this is my fourth, and honestly the best duck merch. Oh yeah. Also, this is my duck voice. Oh dear, looks like you got some of those looks like you got some of the bad coal that arrived today. Yeah, that's my duck voice. Still. Yep. Look at all of these 4. Here. Duck. Whoever's a duck fan and must get this duck. Because Duck is a pretty awesome character. Here. I love his voice, his character, and his design. Alright, enough rambling, enough talking. Let's put a damn battery on this thing, shall we? Okay, got some batteries and a screwdriver. Let's break it down. Can't believe it take this long for Duck to hit stores in Malaysia. At this point, he was only released in the UK, which is quite unfair actually. I don't think Duck hit American stores yet. Alright, his chassis is running. Come on. Isn't that hot? Alright. Alright, the Great Western engine himself has fully loaded his batteries, and let's go to the layout. Alright, got Duck on the layout. Yeah, let's run this Great Western boy. that's my review on the motorized duck. I am so glad I got this model because it was the last one in stock in Shopee. So I got the last one, and yeah, I finally have duck. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.